Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the covariant derivative. Let us look at what you mean by covariant derivative. Uh, we know that for an invariant phi, del phi over del xi is the partial derivative with respect to xi. Okay, it is clear, which is a covariant vector. It is also known that this is a covariant vector. In general, a system of coordinates, the partial derivative of a vector, the partial derivative of a vector or a tensor are not tensors. This is also we know from the fact. Now we study certain expressions involving the first partial derivative of covariant and contravariant vector. First we will study covariant, then contravariant, which are also tensors. So such expressions are called covariant derivatives. Okay. So one by one we will discuss the covariant derivative and contravariant derivative. Today we are going to discuss about covariant derivative. Now, let AI and A bar AI be the component of covariant tensor of order 1. It is very clear A of order 1 in the xi and x bar I coordinate respectively, coordinate system respectively. Then we may express Aj bar is equal to del xp over del x bar j ap. Differentiating the above equation, this equation with respect to x bar k, we will get del Aj bar over del x bar k is equal to, just you differentiate with respect to x bar k, then you will find del xp over del x bar j del ap del xr dot del xr over del x bar k plus del 2 xp over del x bar j del x bar k ap. This you may treat as in equation number 1. Now, due to the second term on right hand side, this term of del AP over del XT is not a tensor. Okay, so you will go just to evaluate here. You look this again. So del 2 XP over del X bar J del X bar K. It is already explained during the discussion of crystal symbol of first kind and second kind. So this may be expressed like this: M bar JK del XP over del X bar M minus del XS over del X bar J dot del XL over del X bar K PSL. Okay, so you may write like this in the form of crystal symbol of second kind. Now, this may be used as in equation 1 may be used as del A bar J. You can take the help of the equation number 1 as shown in the previous PPT. The del X bar K, you will get del XP, del X bar J, del AP over del XR dot del XR over del X bar K plus this crystal symbol M bar JK del XP over del X bar M AP minus del XS divided by del X bar J dot del XL divided by del X bar K PSL AP. Then from this equation, it is easy to write del XP over del X bar J del X bar over del X K and del AP into del XR. You may write like this also plus EM bar JK AM, this minus del EXP over del X bar J del XR over del X bar K L P R and AL. Okay. So now on further simplification, you may express the above expression in this form. So this may be expressed like this, and then it means here this term, okay, this term del AP over del XR minus LPR AL is a covariant tensor of order 2 and called the covariant derivative. So this is called the covariant derivative of iska AP, of the AP with respect to XR. So this is known as covariant derivative of AP with respect to XR. Okay, and it is denoted as the notation of covariant derivative now. This is the symbol form of covariant derivative. If it is written, then it means this. Okay, so in tensor we always use the symbols only. So what is the meaning of the symbols? That should be clear to you. So you have to remember if this AP dash R is equal to, this is the derivative. This is in the advanced classes, you will look the what is the kind of the derivative. Okay, but here for here only you can remember ki this is the symbol. If it is written like this, it means this is not ordinary numbers or ordinary suffixes. This is in the form of the derivative, covariant derivative of AP with respect to XR. Okay, so this is known as covariant derivative. Now, for your just you think and thought about this. This may be also written about the difference between the vector and point. This picture, you try to go through the picture, and here this is for the those who are having the interest in tensor calculus. Then this PPT will provide you the detailed information about manifold and patches, how the transformation rule goes from Cartesian to polar. Okay, so scalar field, differentials, these all are the tools. Vector field, higher form of field, tensor, and base product. So at least you know कि this is the higher form of field. So for that purpose, you should know what is the vector field. Then you also know in vector calculus directional derivative, parallel transport operator, that is known as connection, metric to form and torsion free metric connections, covariant derivative, Lie derivative. This is not, I think, in other part of mathematics, this is also very important to know. This is, and then their application in general relativity and space science calculation, Christopher symbols. These all are the tools. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.